Welcome to my channel. This is Hazel. Today I am going to share a new recipe that is chickenjeerapeppercurry. This is a delightful chicken curry recipe with loads of spices and flavors to relish. It is a high protein meal which is low on fat and digests very quickly. I tried it out and it was very delicious, just the way I wanted, hot and spicy. Do try it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's begin. I've taken 1 kg of chicken pieces cut into medium pieces. I've taken a grinder and added 3 teaspoons of pepper, 2 teaspoons of jeera, 1 pod garlic, 1 teaspoon of khuskhus, 1 red long chilli, 1 long cinnamon, 1 piece, and about 8 cloves, 1 marble sized tamarind, 4 onion finely sliced, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, grind it into a fine paste, adding water. You can use blender too. It should be very fine like this. Take a vessel, heat about 3 teaspoons of ghee or oil. Add 1 sliced onion. Fry it. It turns slightly brown. Let the flame be medium. Fry it turns slightly brown. To fasten the process of browning, you can add 1 pinch of salt, the chicken curry is very simple, but taste is very delicious. Keep the flame medium. Now add about 2 tomatoes, finely minced. Fry it till it is soft. Maybe it will take around 2-3 minutes. Fry it well. Now add chicken pieces. Mix it with the onion and tomato mixture. Add masala water. And salt. I have taken about 1 tablespoon of rock salt. You can take table salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes in a medium flame. Open the lid give it a stir. Now add ground masala paste, mix it, add masala water, add salt according to your taste, close the lid, bring it to a boil. Now garnish it. I have garnished it with coriander leaves. Chicken jeera pepper is ready. This goes well with the boiled rice or rotis. Even you can have with the white rice. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.